Could the future of solving crimes lie in the hands of artificial intelligence? This isn't a question plucked from a science fiction novel, but a very real possibility we're exploring today. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a technology that imitates human intelligence. It's about teaching machines to think, learn, and even predict like us. On the other hand, we have virtual reality, another cutting-edge technology that creates immersive, simulated environments. It's like stepping into a whole new world without ever leaving your living room. Now imagine combining these two technologies. The possibilities are endless, and their applications are already making waves across numerous fields. One such domain is crime scene reconstruction, where AI and VR are coming together to create a paradigm shift. This fusion of technology is not just about enhancing the way we solve crimes, it's about redefining it. Now that we've set the stage, let's explore how AI and VR are revolutionizing crime scene investigations. Imagine a world where detectives could walk through a crime scene without ever stepping foot in the actual location. Welcome to a new era for crime scene reconstruction, where the power of artificial intelligence and virtual reality are merging to redefine the landscape of criminal investigations. In this innovative approach, crime scenes are no longer just physical spaces. Instead, they're meticulously replicated in a digital realm, preserved indefinitely for further analysis. Gone are the days of scrambling to collect evidence before a crime scene is compromised or lost to the sands of time. In its place, we now have virtual reality crime scenes available at the click of a button, ready to be revisited and reanalyzed as many times as needed. Artificial intelligence plays a pivotal role in this transformation. It's not just about creating an immersive three-dimensional replica of a crime scene. AI dives deeper, analyzing complex patterns and minute details that might escape the human eye.